In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand guidelines template in just minutes without hiring a costly agency or fumbling your brand identity. I designed this AI-powered brand guidelines template to save you both time and money while ensuring your brand shines. The template is linked in the description below, and I'm going to walk you through how easy it is to use. Once you open the Google Sheet, here's what you'll find. First, there's the Blank Brand Guidelines tab. This is where you'll fill in your brand's mission, vision, values, and more. You just follow the prompts. No guesswork involved. Next, we have an Example Template tab. If you need inspiration, check out this filled-in example to see how all the pieces come together. These are the brand guidelines for Tesla, an iconic brand. It's your roadmap for brand success. Now, the real magic happens in the AI-powered Brand Guidelines tab. By using the built-in ChatGPT prompt, you can generate your entire brand guidelines in minutes. Just add a few details like your company's name and website, and AI does the rest. No need to be a branding expert. It populates everything for you. Look at this. Your mission, vision, and values, your audience details, and your positioning and copywriting for top social media channels. Take it as is or wordsmith it further with your team. It's up to you, so there you have it. Now, you know how to create a complete brand guidelines template without wasting time or spending a fortune on branding agencies. You'll get everything done in minutes with powerful AI flexing for you. Go download the template now, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We share new AI-powered templates every week. If you are a vice president of marketing, you can access our entire marketing playbook from the link in the description below as well. See you in the next video.